Hey, today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about superfoods. We all hear this phrase and it's kind of the buzzwords right now, but how many of us really know what that means? When we see pictures like this, and we're like, yeah, they look beautiful, but I really don't know quite how to add this into my day-to-day life. What I would like to teach you guys is how to actually just make small improvements in your everyday life. I'm not asking you to cut out all the things that you like, but instead, how about you just add in a few of these foods that we call superfoods? It's so easy just to find simple things that you actually like that you can add in so you don't feel that point of being deprived, but instead you just add in and then slowly improve your diet that way. So what I would love to do is just help educate you. When you go in the grocery store and you see all these amazing things and you feel lost, you're like, there's so many choices and so much information. How do I possibly know what to choose to add into my diet and where do I start? That's really what we're here to teach. How to just start making some really simple improvements to your diet and how to just add in some of these superfoods and just beginning to learn how to improve and take baby steps. That's really the best way to implement this kind of change. So, as we go through, I will just educate you on what some of the great superfoods are and very simple ways to add them into your diet, the way that you're already eating. Just supplement it to your current eating program and then see how that goes. And then over time, maybe you can slowly start taking out some of the things that are less healthy and then just continuing to add in little by little these things that help improve your health overall. All of us want to have, our things that we like. So I'm not saying you have to take away, like as this shows, the waffle. Instead, have the waffle, but let's add some superfoods to that. Let's add some things that make that a little bit healthier for your body. So again, not looking to take away your favorite items, but instead learning how can we make them more balanced. So I hope to hear from you soon, and I would love for us to be able to educate you more on what we do in our workshops. Thank you.